Hi friends, welcome to Bird Breath. And first, I just want to say thank you for spending this time with me. Today, we're going to do a sun salutation. Have you ever heard of one of those? Okay. A sun salutation is just a way to start the day, and by literally saying hi, salutation, to the sun. Whether we can see it or not, it's somewhere up there behind the clouds, even if it's a rainy day, or maybe it's a really sunny day, but either way, we're thanking the sun for bringing some light to our world on this day. We're just going to be using our bodies and our minds to stretch and breathe while we do it. Are you ready to do a sun salutation with me? All right, let's do it. Okay, we're going to start by standing nice and tall, feet planted in the ground like roots of a tree. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Settle in. I want you to take your hands together, get ready to spread them nice and high over your head like your wings. And look up at your hands, breathe in. And as we breathe out, bend over, all the way over, and touch your toes. If you can't touch your toes all the way, that's okay. Now I want you to take a big deep breath in and come up to a flat back. Just like that. I'm gonna turn sideways so you can see mine. Ready? Just like this. We start touching our toes, breathe in, flat back, and breathe out. And just hang like a tree branch in the wind. Breathe. Now, I want you to put your hands on the ground and step your feet back like your body is a bridge. A big, strong bridge. Breathe. Then we're going to bring our chest down to the ground. Lower, lower, lower. Let your knees hit the ground and the tops of your feet hit the ground. And bend, push, push, push through the ground. Look up at the sky and breathe. Say good morning, new day. Say good morning, sunshine. And breathe. Okay. Now I want you to flip your toes back up onto the ground, and you're gonna bend your body like this and make a mountain. Like a triangle with your body. And we're breathing. And breathe out. Great. Now we're gonna walk our hands back up to the middle, bring our fingers to our toes, and remember that tree branch in the wind? We're gonna do that again. So just hang and blow in the breeze. And breathe in and breathe out. Now, remember when our wings spread wide and we took a dive to the ground? Our wings are gonna spread wide and we're gonna come back up. Breathing in, reach up, up, up to the sky. Tickle the clouds. Tickle, tickle, tickle. And now take a big deep breath in. And as you breathe out, let your hands drop and bring them to your center. That was one sun salutation. You can do as many as you'd like. I'm gonna stop there, let my hands fall to the sides, and I just wanna say thank you. Thank you for taking a couple minutes to breathe with me this morning. Every day that we get a chance to breathe is a gift. Thank you for spending this time with me. Bye, friends.